Mallareddy Institute of Technology and Science, affiliated to JNTU Hyderabad, was established in the year 2005. Mr. C.H. Mallareddy, the chairman of MRITS, and Dr. K. Ravindra, the principal, have been the guiding forces behind the success of MRITS.
MRITS is offering graduate courses in Electronics and Communication Engineering, Computer Science and Engineering, Civil Engineering and Information Technology. Apart from that, MRITS is also offering postgraduate courses in Electronics and Communication Engineering, Embedded Systems and VLSI Design.
Apart from the consistent excellence in JNTU academic results, MRITS has been proactive in organizing technical fests. Anusandhan in the year 2009 and Furcades in the year 2011 are the cornerstones and carved a niche for MRITS at the national level. MRITS has been endorsing the use of open source technologies by conducting events as a part of GNU Linux user group, which was initiated by Mr. Linus Torvalds, the founder of Linux, when he visited MRITS in the year 2008.
Mallareddy Institute of Technology and Science, a college that focuses on nurturing students to the maximum extent to reach great heights.
Under the guidance of our faculty, headed by our principal Dr. K. Ravindra, we are given a platform to showcase all our talents and other job-related skills.
This is an ultimate hub where we aspire to improve our personality to face the hardest reality of the world.
We have been given the opportunity to actively participate in various events at different stages in our college life.
MRITS is known for its academic excellence and it has been proven from time to time through JNTU results.
The flag of MRITS is being held high not only in academics but also in sports and other extracurricular activities.
We, the MRITians, completely hold our success to the name of the MRITS.
The infrastructure is designed in such a way which is unique in style and matchless in beauty. Proud to be an MRIT.
Instructions right now, right? Outside. So, this is the way. Be louder and be audible.
Good afternoon, everyone. The topic today is like private jobs and government jobs. I think in these days, I support government jobs because they offer security better than anything else. Because under the condition of recession, you never know when do you have a job and when you're going to lose it.
What I feel is in a private job, the guys, like the guy or the girl, he tends to be active if he really wants to work. But in a government job, the opposite side, he tends to become lazy because he knows that per month he'll get that salary, no one is there to kick him. After a particular time he'll retire and then he'll get the pension. But in a private job, a guy he has to even think about his future, save up for his future also. So I feel the private job is better at a particular aspect.
Yeah, I agree with all your points, and moreover, government or private job depends on the people actually, because some people want to work for a short period and earn more money. In such a case, they can opt for private job, and that depends on their skills and talent. Whereas in the government job, if they want to be in a long period and if they want pensions after their retirement also, they can opt for government jobs.
One more thing I would like to point out is people working in the government sector have a lot of time for themselves and their family, because it's a 9 to 5 job. They come back home early and they can devote a lot of time for their family and themselves. Whereas if you compare a person working in the private sector, he has to work till 11, 12 in the night. Even he's got night shifts to accommodate the US timings and the other country timings. So that's one thing, that even if he earns a lot of money, he wouldn't be able to enjoy it, he wouldn't be able to spend it.
Well, concluding this topic, I would like to say that we got very good points from Aishwarya telling about the advantages of the government sector, like security and the time that we spend with the family members. Apart from that, we get very good points from the private sector focusing on the areas of growth and competitiveness. So I would like to conclude that both of the private sector and the government sector have their own advantages and disadvantages. It finally, at the end, it comes on the perception of a person, that what he is willing to, what are his areas of interest. So that is totally depending on the person who is seeking for an opportunity. So thank you everyone for your for projecting great ideas. We had a very good discussion. Thank you.
A very good morning to one and all. I'm Meghna, pursuing my BTech 4th year in Malareddy Institute of Technology and Science. I'm very happy to talk about the training program that has been conducted in our college for over 2 months now. I've really benefited through it, where I've learned many skills like presentation skills, pronunciation skills, employment skills, group discussions and all. Personally, I had a lot of stage fear, so I've overcome that, so I'm really confident enough now to face any situation. Thank you.
Hi, I'm Nikhil Chaudhary, pursuing my BTech final year from Malareddy Institute of Technology and Sciences in Electronics and Communication Engineering as my specialization. I am very glad I have been given this wonderful opportunity to present you a testimonial on the training which was conducted in our campus, that is a soft skill training program which was conducted for the past 2 months. Here, we have done many activities like group discussions, mock interviews and various other activities. With these, we were helped in realizing our true potential and projecting it in the best possible way. Thank you.
Hi, I'm Manila, pursuing BTech final year in the stream of CSC from MRITS. We final years had been trained for 3 months on soft skills, where different aspects like comm skills, interview skills, presentation skills were taught. In personal, I'm benefited from an activity where qualities of a good team lead and a team member were taught. Now I'm pretty confident that I can be a good team lead or a member of a good team. Thank you.
Good morning, this is Bhavna, pursuing BTech in the stream ECE from Malareddy Institute of Technology and Sciences. Of late, we've been given training sessions to improve our soft skills. We've been trained in different aspects like group discussions, written tests and mock interviews, and we all have benefited a lot from these. Personally, I've been quite an introvert person, and this training has helped me discover myself, and I'm quite confident to face anything. Thank you.